Hello everyone. Today we are going to start a new chapter, chapter number 4, moving charges and magnetism. In earlier chapters we have dealt with the charges at rest, that is electrostatics. Now we are going to move these charges. So I would like to start this chapter with an experiment. In 1820s, early 1820s, a physicist named Hans Christian Ørsted, he accidentally discovered magnetism. So what was the experiment? He had a circuit and a wire. When he connected the circuit with a voltage V, so current was flowing through this wire. Let's say this wire is AB. And he had a compass. You all know compass is a magnetic needle. This needle is magnetic. So when no current is around it, when I am putting this compass very far away from the conductor, from current carrying conductor, it is showing the magnetic field of Earth. You all know Earth has a magnetic field. So it got directed into the direction of magnetic field of Earth. I can say magnetic field of Earth. But when he put the same compass near the wire AB, so this compass needle got deflected. This got deflected. What does this mean? This means that there is another magnetic field other than the Earth's magnetic field. Yes, and this magnetic field is due to the wire AB. This magnetic field is due to current carrying wire. So he discovered that this current has magnetic effect. What are the observations? The observations include, let's say I have a wire, this AB. So when he put this compass below the wire AB, suppose this is our x-axis, this is y-axis, and the axis pointing outwards is your z-axis. I have AB wire on x-axis. So when he put this compass below it, so it was directing in z-axis. यहाँ क्या था? Z-axis में direct कर रही थी. This needle was pointing in z-axis. In negative z-axis. Okay. And when he put the same compass on upward side, मैंने जब ऊपर रखा है इस कंपस के, इस वायर के इस कंपस को ऊपर रखा है, so it was directing in positive z-axis. Two main observations is, first one is when he increased current through AB, what he observed, then deflection is more, means magnetic field is higher at that place. When we increase current, magnetic field increased. Second observation is, if the direction of current changed, he observed that this needle deflects in opposite direction. Deflected in opposite direction. So to prove his point, ये दो points आपको क्या बता रहे हैं? These points are giving an idea of magnetic field due to a current carrying wire. So to prove his points, he performed another experiment. In this experiment, he put a cardboard. He used a cardboard. I am making the diagram. So he used a cardboard. This is the AB wire that we were talking about, current carrying wire. So he put a cardboard here. And he spreaded some iron filings. So when current was switched on, he observed that these iron filings have arranged themselves in concentric circles. So third observation is magnetic field around a current carrying wire is circular in nature. These are the three observations. First one is, if we increase current, he observed that magnetic field around that wire increased. Second observation is, if we reverse the direction of current, then the deflection in compass get also reversed, means the direction of magnetic field got reversed. Third observation is, the magnetic field around a current carrying wire is circular in nature. These are concentric circles. That's all about Oester's experiment. To find the direction of magnetic field, we use right hand thumb rule. This is the rule so that you can find the direction of magnetic field. First of all, I want to tell you magnetic field B is a vector quantity. It is a vector quantity same as that of electric field. You have studied about electric field. So the direction of magnetic field can be found out by right hand thumb rule, in which you will hold that wire. You have to hold that wire by your hand, in which your thumb will point towards the current. Okay? You have to point your thumb so that it will show the direction of current and the direction in which your fingers curl. Okay, so the direction in which your fingers curl will show the direction of magnetic field. So in this particular case, I can say the direction of magnetic field is anti-clockwise. Yes? In this way, if I hold the wire AB, this thumb is pointing towards the current direction, and the direction in which I am curling my fingers will show the direction of magnetic field. So that's all about today's lecture. We have covered Oester's experiment and right hand thumb.